How to get Grabhub promo codes for food discounts. First of all, let's navigate and open any web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar and type Grabhub promo codes for food and then tap the search icon on your keypad. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides an authentic promo code. I prefer the coupon follow website, so tap on it to open it on your screen. Now scroll down to find the best deals and offers according to your needs, and once you find one, tap on it. A pop-up will appear on the screen where you will find the promo code. Tap on the copy button next to the promo code. To use this code, tap on redeem at Grabhub to open the official website or go to the mobile app. Enter this code in the coupon section and get a discount. And that's it. This is how you can get Grabhub promo code for food discount. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.